All right, these are the fun ones. We have this here liquid de-ice thing. It's on a skid, and this is how I received it. Pieces, parts, and things and stuff, and crusty shaft. And I was looking at it, and somebody obviously ran it dry. Never run a pump dry because that mechanical seal will overheat and have a really bad day, especially in a plastic pump. But yeah, so this is how I got this, but we have a big pile of shiny new parts. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna polish our shaft, and then we're gonna start putting this back together. So yeah, here we go. All right, we got our new pump half set in place with the new mechanical seal. Make sure and keep that clean. Don't grease it or anything like that. And don't forget your little O-rings on your bolts. Nail that together. And then your new impeller, make sure your keyway's in there, make sure your nut's in there, and your new ceramic seal. And then we slip that on the shaft. Like cheap. Bolt that down, and then we can start working on our outer hubs. All right, then we install our little piece of seal, a little piece of O-ring. I had to use a little bit of ceramic lube in order to hold that seal in there. We're away from the mechanical seal now, so that should be fine. And then you take your volute housing and you pop that on there. Screw that down, and then we can put our flapper in. And then our little flapper. And then we just bolt on our outer half and reconnect her up to the plumbing. Yeah. All right, got her all bolted up. And whatever you do, fight the urge to run these in with a gun. You know, I know you can say, oh, I'm only going to do 1.5 Uggy Duggies and blah, blah. Yeah, no. But on that note, this one's for all the youngins. When's the last time you ever used one of the... Actually, this is for everybody. When's the last time any of y'all have used a speed wrench? This is kind of like non-existent nowadays in shops, seems like. Never see them. Used to always see them, but anyway. Drop a comment. When's the last time you used a speed wrench? Anyway, let's go ahead and get this all connected up and stuff, and yeah, make her work. All right, got her all back together, buttoned up. I went ahead, I had to recrimp this here, and are you really a redneck if you don't have zip tie strain reliefs? Anyway, I had to recrimp both ends on the wireless. Got all that taken care of, fixed all this, and we filled her up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and give her a test run, but I'm pretty confident she's going to be working. So, yeah, as soon as I get the iPad charged, we're going to fire this up and test it. All right, went ahead and ran her through the paces. You can see water all over the place. She pumps like a mad dog, so we're all good. Went ahead and threw some antifreeze in her to winterize, and now I'm draining out, and yeah, as far as I'm done, I'm done.